Guys, it's been a while. It's been like some weeks and months, and I have not been able to upload or shoot any video concerning the content I'm supposed to drop and all of that. I've been quite somehow busy, but I have to make out time for you guys so that I can be able to tell you guys how life has been for me and all of that. So during these past few weeks or months that I've been away, I've been able to see a lot of things, and I think it's quite good for me to share my experience on some of these cards that I have been able to use and my experiences on what you need to do in order for you to start making online payment in a better way, and what you can also do in order for you to get started. It hasn't been easy, especially in this period where things are very difficult and hard. So one needs to be spending wisely. I have a lot of cards in which I used recently, and my experience so far concerning them has been awesome. It has been great, and I also recommend them to you. And I've been able to share some of these videos to you guys, and many of you have been able to start using it. And even when I was away, a lot of you come to my DM asking me some series of questions in which I have been able to answer some based on what the individuals are looking for. I have a lot of cards in which I've been able to use during this period in which I would like to share with you, and I know that most of you are here who have different cards or bank cards in which you use in making your online payment and all of that. Now, if you look at my hand here, I have like up to five different cards in which I use here. I have a UBA prepaid card, and I also have my Kuda bank card, and a Zenith bank card, and normal UBA card as well, and my GTB card as well. All of these cards, I make use of them in different occasions depending on what I want to do. But the one I use mostly is my prepaid UBA card and my Kuda card. So these two cards are the most effective cards in which I use. Especially this my prepaid card. I use it for my online subscriptions. I use it to buy or purchase things from AliExpress and many other online platforms in which I use them for. And I got this card that was a year ago. I remember a video in which I created and I talked about linking this prepaid card. That was when I got this card, and it's still effective and all of that. It's just that the card has limitations in which it doesn't allow you to make online payments or purchases more than $20 and all of that. But apart from that, I use this card to do whatever online payment in which I want to purchase below the amount that I want. So the card is quite okay and convenient for whoever that wants to get it. All you just need to do is to go to UBA bank, request for it, and then the card will be given to you. All you just need to do is to provide your valid ID card and all the documents that you need. It took some months for me in order for me to get it. I'm in Port Harcourt. I don't know how other states do their own, but I'm telling you what it took me in order for me to get this card. And then after I purchased it, I was able to change the pin in the card there and all of that, if I can remember. And then I was debited up to 2,000 something for purchasing this card and all of that. So I will recommend it for you. For those of you who normally do online, I can use it in any POS, any ATM card, or whatever online thing that I want to do. It works both physically and virtually as well. You can also use it apart from using the Geegpay card or the Create card and other cards that you have. You can also make use of this card. It will help you to make your purchases and payments and whatever thing you want to do when you want to make your payment. It makes life easy, and you don't need to stress yourself going to the bank and all of that. I think I will show you guys how to fund this dollar card. This is a dollar card, prepaid card is a dollar card in which allows you to be able to make your payments. You fund it in Naira and it becomes in dollars automatically. It's not difficult. You can use your app to fund it. You don't need to start going to the bank to transfer from your DOM account to your prepaid card and all of that. You don't need to do that. You stress yourself. All you just need to do is to send it to your normal UBA account. Then you send it to this your prepaid card as well. It's not difficult. All you just need to do is to follow the process within your bank app, and it is so easy without being charged and all of that. So I will recommend it to you and all of that. So guys, I don't want to make this video very long, but I just wanted to tell you guys my experience using this card. It has been awesome, great. It has been able to save me some time and cost instead of going to the bank, doing all the transaction and all of that. So I think you guys can also get it, make your transactions, and use it for whatever online payment you want. You can also link it to your Geegpay account for withdrawal and all of that. It's very, very easy, and all you just need to do is to understand how all of these things work, and then you get started with it. I've not been able to shoot some video for some weeks now. Not that I don't have any video to shoot, but I'm trying to be very careful not to promote or shoot a video that will mislead or not give you the right content that you are looking for. I like testing something, and when I test it and I'm sure it works, I will try as much as possible to share it with you guys. I don't want to just say a theoretical aspect of something and then not doing it practically without showing you guys whether it works or not. I've used this card in AliExpress. I also showed you guys how or what I did there. I also use it to making other online payments in which I did as well, and all of that. So the card works for any online platform and all of that. It's just the prepaid UBA card. See, you always see at the top there, this prepaid card here. It will always show you there, and if you go to the bank, they will always give it to you in order for you to make your payments and all of that. So I'm back now, and I'll make more video or details concerning this video, telling you how you can be able to fund that UBA card, and I'll also try as well as possible to give you more other content on dollar cards that works. So guys, that's it for now. I'm back, and I promise to give you guys content, and I will not be away. I miss you guys. And before I forget, my Telegram channel is now available. The first link in the description box, you will see it. Join my Telegram channel, then tell me your view or what is your difficulties on different platforms that which you are using. Drop it in the comment section in the Telegram channel there. You can also leave your comment here in the comment section and all of that. My Telegram channel, I've been able to open it so that you guys can chat with me and all of that. So before I disabled it because of some issues some guys we are using the platform for different other stuff and all of that. So as I see you on the next one, please stay safe. Peace.